Let's talk about the recently launched ITEL smartphone P55 with composite plate design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus punch hole. Dynamic bar display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 90% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 267 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with AI camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ITEL custom UI screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 16 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The color options: brilliant gold, moonlit black, starry purple, aurora blue colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ITEL P55 has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 34,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 37,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 39,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ITEL P55 smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.